this is the 4-piece 6-wheel from 4Play, and as you can see, it's a 6-spoke design, which I really like, especially for trucks. I feel like 6-spoke wheels are definitely the way to go if you want something that's really rugged and aggressive. This is a 22x12 with a negative 44 offset. I think it's the perfect offset if you're gonna go 22x12. It gives you that nice deep concavity, which I'll show you in a little bit. So the finish that we have here is this gunmetal finish that's on the windows and on the edges of the spoke, but the face here is a brushed aluminum. I really like this finish because if you're trying to go for like a classy look for your truck or like a luxury look, this is a perfect finish to go with. More than likely, your truck has some chrome on it anyways, so this color scheme can play off of that fact that you have chrome already. So here's a close-up of the wheel. In the middle, of course, you get your center cap, this nice big bulky center cap. As I mentioned before, this is a gloss gunmetal with a brushed aluminum face. So you can see the gunmetal here and even on the sides of the spokes. But in the face though is this brushed aluminum gloss clear. You can see the lines that they have in there, so that's kind of cool, nice little detail. This is a 1-piece wheel, so the hardware isn't actually doing anything, it's just more for cosmetic reasons and just to give you that 2-piece look. But let me just try to show you the concavity of this wheel. Look how deep the wheel goes in. Isn't that crazy? That's nuts. That negative 44 offset, that's the way to go, dude. Look at that. Ooh, it's so deep. Yeah, that's what she said.